If you feel like your iPhone battery drains with no reason and sometimes phone even lags, I need to tell you that you are not alone. There is an important place in the settings that most of people never open, and it shows you who is running in the background, who has access to your background, your microphone, your camera, and who has access to the most of stuff that most of people never checked. Stay with me for a bit and you will be shocked with what you found. So first we will have to open settings, scroll down and click on privacy and safety. Now you will have to scroll down and find app privacy report. So here you will find the empty page at the start. You just need to enable it manually by yourself, and you will have to come in 24 hours or basically even less. You can just go to any app. Whenever you open app, it will appear here. So basically you can just leave it through the day, and after the day is done, you can come back and check this next day. Basically you will get a report here about every application and what has access to that application. So here we have 4 categories. First one is data and sensor access. This tells you which app opened and when. So basically what app opened your camera, your microphone, location, sensors, whatever, contacts. So if you see app that has accessing something off, remove its permission immediately. Now next one is app network activity. This shows you who is using your internet in background and also who is using and draining your data in background. Here you can check everything you need to know. Now most contact domains. Here you will see most contacted place your device connected in a day. If connection was repeating so many times, this helps you know what's running most of the time on your phone. And if you think it's something suspicious, you can just turn it off. So make sure to check these sections daily because you never know what is happening in the background when you're not looking. So make sure to keep your safe and also keep your privacy safe. So until next video, bye bye.